Hello everyone, welcome back to Teacher with Wings and welcome back to yet another video. I really hope that you're finding this series of all about my college very helpful, wherein I'm trying to talk about each and every aspect in a separate video so that you have utmost amount of clarity on the same. So in this video, I am going to talk about the entire documentation process because that is absolutely important, especially in a college like SIMS wherein you are getting a quota for being a defense ward, right? So I'll talk about all the things in detail. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Just in case you are coming to my channel for the first time, then hi, my name is Anuradha. I am a student of MBA pursuing in HR from Symbiosis Institute of Management Studies, Pune. On this platform, I try to make all the different types of content which might help anyone out there who is either looking for doing an MBA this year or probably in the years to come. At the same point of time, whenever I get the opportunity, I also share a small amount of snippet about my life in general as well. So, अगर आपको something like that देखना पसंद है, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icons that you get notified about all the videos that I am updating. तो चलो सेल्फ प्रमोशन के बाद में लेट मी नाउ गेट इनटू द एग्जैक्ट टॉपिक व्हाई आई डिसाइडेड टू मेक द वीडियो टू टॉक अबाउट द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन प्रोसेस. सो देखो, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन प्रोसेस में even when you applied for this, you would have got a list of documents that are required at the time of admission, right? तो अगर आपने तब नहीं ध्यान दिया, then not a problem. You can even have a look at the official website of Symbiosis Institute of Management Studies, wherein they mention all the documents and all the prerequisites you need to be careful about before you take the admission. तो अगर आपका फॉर्म भरने के टाइम में छूट गया है, then not a problem. You can again have a look at the same list on their official website as well. अब वहाँ पे आपको सारे के सारे नॉर्मल एंड जेनेरिक डॉक्यूमेंट्स रहते हैं, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ऑल द थिंग्स रिलेटेड टू क्लास 10th, 12th, ग्रेजुएशन, योर आधार कार्ड, आई थिंक योर पैन कार्ड वाज आल्सो इंक्लूडेड एंड ऑल ऑफ दीज डिटेल्स, माइग्रेशन सर्टिफिकेट वगैरह भी लगता है. नाउ द रियल क्वेश्चन ओवर हियर इज how to pursue the documentation process before entering into the college and just after you enter into the college. तो आपको पता होगा कि इंडिया में ये रूल है that when you are changing your university, you need to get a migration certificate from your previous university. So if you're someone who just completed your graduation, so that should not be a problem because you can instantly ask your college to give you the migration certificate and also the final year mark sheet. Now what will happen if in case you are not able to procure the two of them? So not a problem. Generally what happens is there is a time limit that is given to the students to basically procure all of these documents. So when we started our batch started on the 6th of June, but we were given time until I think 30th of June to basically procure all the documents which we were not having at that point of time. So you can take that window to basically complete it. ये प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ उन केसेस में आती है जब आप जस्ट अपना ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर रहे होते हो और उसके जस्ट बाद में आप MBA स्टार्ट करते हो, बिकॉज जनरली द प्रोसेस इन विच दे गिव यू द फाइनल डिग्री सर्टिफिकेट एंड द मार्कशीट दैट टेक्स अ लिटिल वाइल. स्पेशली मार्कशीट you generally get it, but the degree certificate takes a little longer than the normal mark sheet duration during which you get it, right? So for the mark sheet, you can obviously submit it. If you are still awaiting that, then you can get it written from your college that it is awaited and the probable date for that particular thing to come up is so and so. If not that, then at least the digital mark sheet, which I suppose it's quite quick these days, they issue you the digital mark sheet and you can actually share that as your interim interim document. Later on you can take a letter from your existing college, that means जिस college से आपने graduation किया है, that how long would they take in giving the final actual physical copy of it, and you can submit that here in the college as well. यहाँ पे ऑफिस डिपार्टमेंट में everybody is so supportive. They are going to help you out in everything, so you need not panic. That's the first thing, right? So ये रही माइग्रेशन सर्टिफिकेट और ये ग्रेजुएशन की डिग्री सर्टिफिकेट की बात. अगर इसमें डिले हो रहा है तो उसकी डिजिटल कॉपीज आप सबमिट कर दो एंड एट द सेम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम गेट अ लेटर और समथिंग रिटन फ्रॉम योर एग्जिस्टिंग ग्रेजुएशन वाला कॉलेज that they will take so and so time to basically issue it, and then you can give the same over here. So once you do that, that will be taken as an acknowledgement of the fact that within that stipulated time period you will be basically able to submit the record, right? अब यहाँ पे जो सेकेंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट है जहाँ पे बहुत लोगों को कंफ्यूजन हो रही होगी, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मुझे भी थी, दैट इज हाउ टू गेट दैट डिफेंस कोटा वेरीफाइड, राइट? Now, while you would be filling the form, you would have definitely applied that you are a defense ward. Absolutely correct. Now, what happens is before you actually get the admission, on the website itself, you will find Annexure A, right? It's basically a document which has the details like your name, your father's name, your father's service number, the post at which your father is, whether your father is retired or serving, and it needs to be signed and stamped by a gazetted officer. So if I'm not wrong, anyone above the rank of colonel or colonel above can actually do that for you, right? अब मेरे में प्रॉब्लम ये हुआ था कि since I'm 25 plus, so generally जो आपकी डिफेंस की जितनी सर्विसेज एंड पर्क्स होते हैं, that is only till the time your ward is 25. So when my father had to extend those services, so there was a documentation problem because of which my name was omitted from the defense वाला जो होता है ना जिसमें family member सबका नाम होता है. So I started panicking a lot because then I thought that if I don't have over there, then I'll have to get the whole thing again re-registered and this and that and everything. So that was again a very panicky situation. Not just that, now since I was born in the early 2000s, so a little before that actually, तो उस टाइम पे प्रॉब्लम ये होती थी कि हमें बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट्स जो होते थे, बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट डिजिटली नहीं मिलते थे, तो हमें वो प्रॉपरली जाके वो हॉस्पिटल से प्रोक्योर करना होता था. एंड देन अगेन यू नो इट वेरी वेल हाउ ग्रेट वी आर इन प्रोक्योरिंग ऑल ऑफ दीज डिटेल्स. तो मेरे लिए ये वाला सेक्शन थोड़ा सा लॉन्ग हो गया था. आई हैड टू गेट माई बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट डन, एंड देन उसके बाद में उसको फिर जिला सैनिक बोर्ड से मेरे फादर को पूरा री रजिस्टर कराना पड़ा था, एंड दैट बिकेम अ होल लॉट डिफरेंट सर्कल ऑफ प्रोसेसेस. As a matter of fact, that was not really required. The only thing that is going to be required is the Annexure A. Annexure A का फॉर्म आपको कॉलेज की वेबसाइट पे ही मिल जाएगा. Just get a printout of it, get it signed by a gazetted officer. Your father can do it, or maybe if your mother is serving in the defense forces, your mother can do it. वहाँ पे वो जस्ट एक प्रूफ के लिए होता है that gazetted officer is standing as a proof for the fact that your father is actually serving the forces. He is at so and so rank and he is at so and so place at this moment, right? So this is exactly that you require in the documentation process. Now, what will happen in case you are not able to give certain documents? तो मोटा मोटी जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स होते हैं जैसे तुम्हारे 10-12 के तुम्हारा आधार कार्ड, पैन कार्ड, ग्रेजुएशन का सर्टिफिकेट, ये तुम्हारे मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स होते हैं. इसके अलावा अगर देयर आर सर्टेन डॉक्यूमेंट्स विच यू आर नॉट एबल टू फिल, देन यू कैन गिव द कॉलेज अ kind of an acknowledgement letter that you would take so and so time to basically get the same document, and after that you will submit it to the college. अब यहाँ पे एक चीज और होती है that once you get the admission, they will give you an online portal of the college wherein you will be supposed to fill all the documents, right? And all of them are in compulsory asterisks. तो उसमें जब वो फॉर्म आपको सर्कुलेट किया जाता है, देयर इज अ नंबर ऑल्सो दैट इज गिवन फॉर असिस्टेंस. सो मेरा एनेक्स्चर ए ही कंप्लीट नहीं था, सो आई रैंक अप दैट नंबर एंड आई शेयर्ड माई कंसर्न एंड आई सेड दैट आई एम गोना टेक सो एंड सो टाइम टू बेसिकली गेट दिस थिंग डन. सो दे विल हेल्प यू आउट दैट हाउ एग्जैक्टली यू कैन go ahead with that particular question. Other than that, it is absolutely very smooth and the people over here are absolutely very very helpful. इसके बावजूद भी अगर कोई ऐसा डॉक्यूमेंट होता है जो आपको नहीं मिलता है, and it takes a little while to actually get it, तो उसमें कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है. बस जैसा कि मैंने आपको कहा that you need to get your acknowledgement submitted and they give you time. Not just the time, but so there were some students who did not have the Annexure A sign. So when we came to the college, like we physically were present in the college, and the document verification happened for the second time. So those people were basically given the right amount of assistance as well. So they actually told you that where exactly you can get this particular document signed, or all of that. In fact, we have one of our students who जैसे डिफेंस फोर्सेस में फोर्सेस के भी कुछ लोगों को अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं टू स्टडी. सो वी हैड अ लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल इन आवर क्लास ऑल्सो. ही वॉज सो नाइस दैट ही बेसिकली टुक द फॉर्म्स फ्रॉम एवरीवन एंड ही गॉट इट साइन फॉर देम. तो मैं ये नहीं कहती कि एवरीबडी इज गोइंग टू बी दैट लकी टू हैव समवन टू हेल्प यू इन दैट मैनर, बट इवन इफ यू आर नॉट दैट लकी, इट इज एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, बिकॉज your college is going to tell you how exactly you can get this thing done. हमारा जो कैंपस है वो किरकी के अंदर में है, और यहीं पे ही MH हॉस्पिटल भी है डिफेंस का, आर्मी का, एंड बहुत सारे ऑफिसेस नियर बाय में है. तो अगर आप चाहो तो अपने कॉलेज ID को ले जाके वहाँ पे भी किसी गैजेटेड ऑफिसर के साथ में आप अपना साइन वगैरह करवा सकते हो, एंड आई एम श्योर दे आर गोइंग टू बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू हेल्प यू आउट इन द प्रोसेस. सो ये था मेरा 10 मिनट्स का क्रिस्प वीडियो अबाउट हाउ टू गो अबाउट विद द डॉक्यूमेंटेशन. Giving you a quick sum up, everything is fine. The only hurdle is to get the graduation degree certificate and annexure A in case you have a little bit of confusion in that. Graduation certificate, you need not worry. If your degree certificate is not yet provided to you, the college is going to give you certain amount of time within which you'll have to get it done. And trust me, वो time enough होता है to actually get the things done. कभी कभी अगर उस time को आप exceed भी करते हो तो भी आपको सिर्फ कॉलेज में आके यहाँ पे ऑफिस में, एडमिन ऑफिस में इन्फॉर्म करना होता है that my previous college is taking so and so time, and as soon as I get it from there, I'll be in the position to submit it to you. And then annexure A, just as I told you, any gazetted officer in the defense forces, I think above the rank of colonel, are put into that category. So मेरा तो एक कर्नल ने ही किया था, एक कर्नल अंकल हैं, उन्होंने ही किया था. तो आप उनसे वो साइन करवा सकते हो, and you have to scan and submit all the copies. One thing which I forgot to tell you, all the documents that you are submitting in the e-format, make sure that you have the copies of all of these documents physically also, because जब यहाँ कॉलेज में चेक होता है तो सारे के सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स को फिजिकली वो लोग चेक करते हैं, and only then you are given the snap ID, the PAN number, PRN number and the other details. तो हमारा PRN नंबर जो होता है वो बेसिकली यूज किया जाता है फॉर ऑल आवर ऑफिशियल रिकॉर्ड्स. So this is how exactly the whole process goes on. I really hope that this video answers all your questions regarding the documentation process. If at all something is left, please feel absolutely free to drop it down in the comment box. I would love to answer them as well. Not just this, in the next video I'm going to talk about the loan process and the reality of the loan process, because I have had so many ups and downs to get the thing done. Okay, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends, maybe it's gonna help them. और हाँ, अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. Bye bye.